He got me on my shin, but there's blood out on my knees. My hair is in the wind, how come my brain ain't catch a breeze? He got me on my finger, but my shoulder's super sore. I thought feral dog bites don't infect me anymore. He got me on my wrist, but there's blood all on the floor. 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 Who let that happen? I don't know anymore. Feral dog bites don't infect me anymore. I thought feral dog bites don't infect me anymore. Feral dog bites don't infect me anymore. I thought feral dog bites don't infect me anymore. I thought feral dog bites don't infect me anymore. Feral dog bites don't infect me anymore. He hit me on my titty, but my uterus starts to shed. If he won't fuck me in the pussy, he'll come and fuck in the head. He got me on my neck, but I feel it in my jaw. I thought feral dog bites don't infect me anymore. He got me on my wrist, now there's blood all on the floor. 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 Blood all on the floor. Who let that happen? I don't know anymore. Feral dog bites don't infect me anymore. No, I thought feral dog bites don't infect me anymore. I thought feral dog bites don't infect me anymore. Feral dog bites didn't infect me anymore. I thought feral dog bites didn't infect me anymore. Feral dog bites don't infect me anymore.